Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style country farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage style country farmhouse decor combines rustic charm with antique elegance. It blends distressed finishes, cozy textiles, and time-worn elements to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Here are some tips to enhance your vintage style farmhouse decor. Soft, muted color palette. Stick to pastel shades like soft blues, jasmines, blush pinks, and creamy whites. Floral wallpapers or subtle patterns can add warmth. Antique or distressed furniture. Use vintage wooden furniture with a distressed finish. Look for old dressers, farmhouse tables, and iron bed frames. Cozy textiles. Layer soft linen curtains, crocheted lace, and ruffled pillow covers. Foils and knitted straws add warmth and texture. Vintage accessories and collectibles. Display antique plates, teacups, and mason jars. Use vintage mirrors, old books, and delicate candelabras for character. Rustic wooden accents. Exposed wooden beams, reclaimed wood shelves, and weathered cabinets enhance the cottage feel. Wooden crates can serve as storage or decorative pieces. Floral and botanical elements. Decorate with dried flowers, pressed botanicals, or potted plants. Hang floral wreaths on doors for a classic touch. Distress your furniture. Use sandpaper to create a weathered, antique look on wooden furniture. Try chalk paint in soft pastel colors for a rustic, aged finish. Upcycle old items. Turn an old leather into a blanket rack or a bookshelf. Use vintage suitcases as stylish storage or stack them as a side table. Dye lace and dolly decor. Frame vintage lace dollies for delicate wall art. Glue lace over mason jars to create soft, romantic candle holders. Handmade floral wreaths. Gather dried flowers like lavender, roses, or eucalyptus. Repurpose mason jars. Use mason jars as vases, storage containers, or light fixtures by adding fairy lights. Paint and distress them for a more antique touch. Vintage-inspired wall art. Print and frame botanical illustrations or old postcards. Hang antique mirrors or repurposed old windows as decorative Create a cozy reading nook. Repurpose an old wooden bench or rocking chair. Add layered cushions, a soft drawer, and a small vintage lamp for charm. Tea-stained fabrics for an aged look. Deep white fabrics in a tea bath to give them an antique, on-in feel. Perfect for table runners, curtains, or pillowcases. Create a rustic chalkboard. Repurpose an old picture frame by painting the glass with chalkboard paint. Use it for daily quotes, recipes, or a vintage style menu board. Upcycle old doors or windows. Use an old wooden door as a vintage style headboard. Hang an antique window frame on the wall for a farmhouse inspired display. Turn an old drawer into a wall shelf. Mount a vintage drawer onto the wall or use it as a shadow box. Display small collectibles, dried flowers, or candles inside. Dye fabric covered lampshade. Use vintage floral fabric to recover a plain lampshade. Add lace trim or ruffles for an extra cottage style touch. Dye vintage lace curtains. Sew lace panels or add as vintage doilies to plain sheer curtains. Use tea staining for an aged antique look. Create a hanging dried flower arrangement. Gather dried flowers like lavender, eucalyptus, or roses. Tie them into small bundles or hang them upside down with twine on a rustic wooden rod. Transform a vintage ladder into a blanket rack. Lean an old wooden ladder against a wall. Drape soft blankets, lace straws, and hanging plants over the rugs. Dye farmhouse style table runner. Use pearl, linen, or lace to create a charming rustic table runner. Add hand-stitched embroidery or fabric paint for a personal touch. Upcycle old silverware into wall hooks, bend antique forks or spoons, and mount them on a wooden plank for unique wall hooks. Use them in the kitchen or entryway for a vintage-inspired organizer. Make a messenger herb garden. Fill messengers with soil and plant herbs like rosemary, thyme, or basil. Label them with vintage-style tags and place them on a distressed wooden shelf. Create a rustic memo board. Use an old wooden charter, chicken wire frame, or chalkboard with a distressed frame. Handmade cottage style bunting. Cut fabric triangles from floral or gingham fabric. Sew them or ribbon for a dyed garland to hang across windows, mantels, or headboards. Vintage inspired painted bottles, colorful glass bottles, and paint them in soft pastel hues. Lightly distress with sandpaper and use them as vases or candle holders. Upcycle tin can planters drop old tin cans in pearl, lace, or vintage wallpaper. Use them as plant pots for small flowers or succulents. Repurpose a wooden drawer as a tray. Remove an old drawer from a vintage dresser. Add handles and use it as a serving tray or decorative coffee table piece. Dye chippy paint signs. Use reclaimed wood to create vintage style signs with hand painted lettering. Disperse with sandpaper and add antique wax for an edged look. Turn vintage frames into chalkboards. Paint the glass for an old ornate frame with chalkboard paint. Use it for a rustic menu board, grocery list, or daily codes. Convert a vintage decor into a headboard. Repurpose an old wooden door by sanding and painting it. Thanks for watching the video.